Did you know that there are tax benefits on a loan that you take to buy a car? Unlike education and property, a car is a luxury product, and hence, not everyone is eligible to get tax benefits on car loans. But how do you find out if you are eligible? And if so, how do you get tax benefits? Let's find out step by step. Who can get the tax benefits? Generally, cars for personal use are considered luxury products, and therefore, salaried professionals cannot get tax benefits on car loans. However, self-employed individuals and business owners can take advantage of tax benefits because cars used for business can be considered a business expense. How to claim tax benefits on car loans? If you are self-employed, individual or a business owner, you can claim car loan tax benefits on the interest paid under Section 80C. There's another way to claim tax benefits on your car. Cars being a depreciating asset, you can claim up to 15% as a depreciation expense per year when you buy a car for business purposes. Bonus tip: the depreciation expense can be exempt from tax even if you have purchased the car without a loan. But remember, your tax claim can be rejected if the income tax officer finds that you have not used the car for commercial purposes. The car needs to be bought and registered under the name of the business or the business owner to be eligible for car loan tax benefits. Now that you know how car loan tax benefits work and how they are claimed, ensure that you follow the correct procedure and guidelines to avail tax exemptions. Also, do not forget to get the interest certificate from your bank, as it helps correctly report the interest on your car loan when filing taxes. If you are planning to apply for a car loan and want to check your EMI affordability, you can use the Car Loan EMI Calculator on the IDFC First Bank website. You can also avail of car loans for new and pre-owned cars from IDFC First Bank at affordable rates. To know more, log on to www.idfcfirstbank.com.